Well, hey guys, if you're looking for a great little chicken roost or chicken perch, this is a great one for you. It's super easy to put together. The reason we actually have this is we replaced our chicken coop in here. We wanted them to have a place where they could sleep and they could actually get up on this roost, get off of the ground if it's too cold, or get off of whatever, be able to get up here and sleep, or just to rest, whichever one they want to do. But this is really nice. It's super easy to put together. It's just a few screws along this edge and this edge. I do like that it has the wooden rods across the beam right here. A lot easier for them to grab onto and to hold onto at night, or again, just to be on there. And also you have up top right there, it actually bolts to the cross beam right here, which is really nice as well. So if you have, a small enclosure like we do, it's really great to go ahead and put that up there. Or you could even bolt it to the wall or whatever you might have for yours. But again, I really like it. Super easy to use, and again, I think our chickens are definitely going to stay in here. One of the big issues we have right here with our chickens is they keep at night roosting in the trees kind of around our run, and so they'll fly up there because we don't have any place for them to roost. So we're excited about this. This is going to help them make sure that they stay inside the roost right here, and that they're not going to fly up in the trees and those type things. They're going to stay in, and that way they're not going to get out of our run. And so we're super excited about that. Definitely think it's a great option. Super easy to put together, works really well. I like the wood, and then also the metal for it to stay there. Has some little rods down here at the bottom. They have like little rubber pieces, so they're not going to slide or anywhere for that. So it's going to stay right here. Again, it's going to replace our coop for us, so the chickens have a place actually for them to stay at night and not go anywhere else. So I think this is a great one. Definitely highly recommend it. If you would like to, I have a link down below. You can check it out down there. And if this video is helpful, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.